concepts on what ideal beauty is. So do you agree that these women are beautiful? Yes, diba? Alright. So in a large-scale German research study wherein they presented a computerized faces of different faces, and they were asked, there were subjects from different ethnic backgrounds and races, and they were asked to choose which is the most attractive to them. And most of them actually chose number 5 and number 6. So, in conclusion, they made a conclusion from that study that most people, or most people have the same idea of what constitutes an attractive face in different races, among different races and cultures. So, subconsciously, they are actually focusing on 7 key facial features. And these are what you call the Magnificent 7. First, they focus on the facial shape, the forehead height, the eyebrow shape, eye size, and the distance between the 2 eyes, the nose shape, the lips, the length and the height of the lips, and the skin clarity, texture, and color. The ideal female beauty, no? Let's look at the 7 key facial features in this woman. In this woman, no, this is J-Lo. As we all know, she's very pretty. The ideal facial shape is actually an inverted triangle. No? It's usually oval. And of course, I'm not saying that square face are not beautiful. There are a lot of beautiful square-faced women, but usually the one that gives you that female look is the one which tapers from the jaw to the chin. No? So it has a tapering. So also the smaller face is lower compared to men. And also the forehead is convex or rounded. If you divide this, no pointer. Sorry. If we divide this face into 3, here, the eyebrows, here, on the level of the nose, and up to the chin, this actually is the upper, middle, and the lower third of the face, and they're actually in proportion. 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3 in length. Okay? And the eyebrows is very important. It's usually arched. Alright? And it starts in the right in the corner of the eye. It's arched, having it goes up to about 10 to 20 degrees. And then the middle part is 2/3, and the lateral part is about 1/3. And the tip of the eyebrow is about 1 to 2 millimeter above the bone. And the lateral tip is actually higher than the medial tip. Okay? So the eyes of the ideal women is actually wider compared to the men. They have prominent lashes. The nose is straight and actually is smaller than in men. And it has, the tip is pointed. And then the lips are actually plump. You can see the cupid's bow. Usually the upper lip is about 1/3 of the vertical height of the whole lips. And the lower lip is about 2/3. And then the chin is prominent, or it has enough volume and is proportionate to the whole face, the size of the chin. So in profile, you actually see this angular shape of the jaw, and the border is distinct. And then you also see the cheekbones is actually ovoid or egg-shaped, and is actually angled from the corner of the mouth towards the side of the eyes, and the apex or the highest point of the cheek is actually just a little bit lateral, or the cheekbone is a little bit lateral to the corner of the eye, and it's high up on the upper third, but it should not exceed the lower limbus of the eye. So the ideal male beauty.